Hello, agus watching Hugh na Seansálaithe, mas mailm seansa ghlaciad na Seansálaithe. Is mis Hugh Miguel Chada agus óia tá faoi tá se siocaí tá foundered mar a deartar den ná sin fachan nach leis tú aondaige úsáid chuige ach tá foundered seo is rang idir has é seo chumhaid le phodchraoladh grin sin an aim a bíon a gcónaí is múnseirí muid. Cos le anna le réalaigh leis an uirne ra. Tá man seo muid cólaci le muid chuirde ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine ag mar tú.
Díreach mar ggéine lása agus mis chun focail difriúil le úsáid dhearhann se go me conáilte.
Ó
mé focail omlan eile ag James go maiid ach tá seo trútí se rang ba gaiid agin áil na focail le ag le tágan.
Ghlach se thir céad Eagrán dún ach tá chun bhíniu go dé tá go le ranis. Sinné in éon amar fád seo tá ag chun a bheith níos sáilear agus níos onrice agus cant fi lád nach mín onrice ríe tá seo fásta le James ó Fáilte. James timar tú.
Bíim se actually onric go dtí a fáilt cheappain. Mar chéad lipse má fuair strumpach se duna bit mar déirtar Connemara strumpach se na Danes
Strumpach se na Danes
people of Denmark
Strumpach se
na Danes sinna later an amsir seo a Connemara ag sinna bhhan se cos le go tú mar friggin Viking go harta seo gur clúdú suas. Rús meas faoi an teach atá ngáile tá an rud an boiler an alla briste so ní mór an tasing so it's like portable heater down faoi láthir go hart an teach ar fad le ma héamh sús is má chuiad sa.
Tá ceist an táhacht agam dit stó James because tá ráite sa mí nógad a gcónaí agus tá géirí figuráil má an bhfuil seo go fáil fear. An bhfuil tú ag caiithú shorts go fáil. Cos mar dúirann tú hain ní iríonn na casa faoir.
Oh, like it got hard is a gnáhíal like
Yeah.
nu got a holla. Yeah,
Like Éinam.
Oh, well, yeah, tá. Yeah. Cos nífan do chos fuair.
What?
James!
Tá sin crackalde, Tá mé se caiú dhéfir rístín ar héime maithaigh siúts fi láthair. Cai mé idirú dul go dtí an campus le siútíanú. Cai mé leggings agus corduroys ar bar sin.
Bút an an cuiimú a riomh cinú a bhí do glúna fuair.
Yeah.
Inniu!
Fi láthair.
No.
Bhí me se ag siúil faoid bad a clíaniu agus bhí má conáilte mar a deartar agus bhuaí má é I móid casa bhuaí má é agus James te agus tá móid casa feici go archam sa cas leis a gruffalo de ré ar dóigin tam bhí má go fáil ionta faoir so ní aontaí má
duchud cosa héirí má tá mochas cosa héirí agus na bhí mu slab le chéile gur go rán a bhí méid bhí
Bhín muid natad le cheala faoi dear na ihe. It's just
tangled extreme.
Oh, Jesus.
Cén teas fi láthair é hús am áid líon sin hiú.
Díach an tá se céim óhain. So bhí se nerv mis muohar máidin bhí se lúide dá agus mé céim Celsius agus mé agsúlthart agus na se céim óhain so tá se
bheith ar a leid lúide de le bríiste chuir.
Ara James.
Oh, come on.
Swear. Oh, look, it's like, so, it's our shaft in Scotland, which I foolish really.
Yeah.
Was that current word? T-lane, hoodie, shackhead, shorts, going to make after coffee. It's all good. Agus na Burks. Queen of Burks set his toes, agus the chin, tá gachar the grand, like.
Agus dé an gender seo go tú có I gcuine brístí fad a caiithú. Like, dé tá có hulk faoi de caiithúil a mín tú mí compradá an tú?
No, just 95, clúd a cos bra, sin noch.
Just being awkward.
No, it's just poor though.
James, I'm actually, I don't, I'm sure caiú jeans, like, ní bhí me caiú jeans, tí sa chat, a tam I caiúd, me se, Jenny me se stretching is faster.
Yeah.
Take it
James.
Go on.
Tá bríste like you know tight or me go meg ober so na slacks don so ní bhé chos an bogus ús mar in.
A dé hálacht de rathasteis go tíidir cethir leis na brístí geart an meart a mecart sí síos fa chunne criú dar rire nachfuil tú leanú dresscode an ghéhrí.
ón is sé mar báirúí bhacht am do bh criú am so bríiste fáidir bud bín bíir fáidir mé go gúnaí bud sa saoir mór bhfuil an criú am definitely go táisteach rockin some shorts.
No.
Scandalous.
No. Ní ein tíam leat ar an rá. Do you know bhí grammar dó bhí uhain agus bhí ar lad an áfig ag teachtaigh mo haach le rudaí a bailú agus na mis ní sa it's like tracksuits a tamar fad, like just tracksuit bottoms and tamar fad, whatever. Agus hánig se agus dúirte, geez, I've never seen you dressed down. But like, ní bhím gléiste literally a different way a bhí is that in caiú jeans do from a caiú tracksuit lia. Like it was literally an rud céarna a bhí caiú is tí san áfig ná ó le go le a hanna le or whatever. But a Janet bhí sin go leor leis an different yeah, to be like, oh yeah, Urkur and Lacha like this. He's really letting loose and literally in different one is
I've heard it all. Tracksuit bheith mar dressed down.
Ní aontaíonn tú go bhfuil tracksuit.
Comfort, shorts.
Listen.
Shorts, hoodie.
Arcur tradition at the Burks, ní siad go trí seachtainí, calm down.
And we'll affiliate link agad.
Ger a cíú siar náisciú chur ag James of Fáilte, tá am chunaí I gcuileán ar a garrua agus bé lánsásta ó chud parcels áit.
Tá péir agad hana hain. Céim fá mit de carní smó agad.
Tá cúpa tá difra
Actually scéil an granar gom fin cearú.
Oh, go on.
Nílas go an dhéanaan bhórgaid marthacha é seo ach is sprála mó amí daft links a chur thugam de títhe mar sílan siomh chuine chu sé go se ábalta íoch as te am éigen in the not too far future. So chuann si nascaní thugam an tamar fád de títhe gon na chlár literally chus ceanam láfiar ar an móthir céine lehí. Sheelan go gurí na garfastí bheitúr go
just get a little hint there and sin.
Oh, absolute emotional blackmail at Darlu, but and sin a láfiar for me ceann.
Oh no.
Call sinis. Fáilte carró chun duine galibh.
Ooh,
Céine cara? Oh.
295.
Sheelan mám go mise a ggéirí bheith mo choní ar an garrua in gáliú.
Tá moch.
Bhaile hí like seal sosta bhíaci, you know.
Broner
Bhainm siopa bheith nachlumm.
Cora tú mú elemental ar seachtain se caite.
Fuine spin sa car chuin me ag trá an dólín.
Wow.
Fuine get to bug suimna son gahar.
Your Honor, I rest my case.
Ger beg an seamness on cahar, got amach ag trá an dólín, tourist attraction more mílsach, got hard for coffee das ar garrua, Banisteach an a daoine áling at hartán, an réige an canter smooth gweige, sa tíd. Oh, sorry, I just spit in facts. Shouldn't I made it up? Oh, even though disclaimer, ni ve me hen kuna garrua mata, but yeah.
Yeah, show me the one. Tatusa ig ober. Her to jet womancha o the canter. Áitiúil agus fós cónín tusa I gahar na gáilibh. So, catíal tú tuirte mátú sa sin.
Tá má single aige. Níl éim rá ar carrú.
Nachhfuil tú gailta lá, yeah.
Fair play, fair point. I don't know. Cadé fúd sa Hugh an meha ábalta.
Mas I'm getting rich in like How I Met Your Mother, you know, the front porch test. Nervous. In Surang with our significant others I gimmert Scrabble agus mus 80 tí mogum porch. Cá sé duine a amsú le mé ná sinna dionne.
Hugh.
Mise, yeah, but mise mui le chaila bug with little Hugh near.
Surang agus our significant others. The Hugh mar a clia the round like you.
A can John and rahito sa wali sa Jared and like James and goni a mate to the corny or garru sa Jared. Fiúnar hoping to she's net a den agat. Ní rahi tú wali.
Oh, be man gale like, but probably níos go gon cahar and everything.
I rest my case.
No. Is an argon to be on that tissa of Coney Garua, not Misha. Nothing.
A catí nach na tusagurí Coney and Garraíodóireacht.
And yet, as you need something to my in the morning. So,
yeah.
Kill this man in the.
Oh, these sin. I had no. Did arc
It's the fact like cool tauchi of father in a mach room. It's kind of. I'd be overachieving at that stage.
A catí na meha géirí socu and Garraíodóireacht.
Huh?
Catí na meha géirí socu and Garraíodóireacht.
You know, just need my own nachmadum, but like the ultimate holding the yama, it's just one of the kind of that really said it. So.
Oh, okay. Cahatche sin.
Na farbacha.
Na farbacha?
Yeah. There's a chin at a coaster. Ooh, sexy stuff.
Can I for the farbacha?
Like is it?
A
little further west, Nashin.
Not as decent Norfolk.
No.
Yeah. Dé futi Hugh an rathháile an mócháile.
Ní dhearthing leis na ra.
Tum sé feiceil Hugh bheith like a chéad like Graham Norton eile. So it's like bisha not at a chuisisin.
I was going to say Michigan agus my far chéile.
No,
have a great time.
Go made to like in London mar hosting games.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I can see you as a London boy.
London. Yeah, it's my lot London. It's been too long, Dominic.
It's well rugú mé I London agus tá teile agam háin go fáil tá mé ar for go fáil go bre háin. I'd take a brethe an obair bhí ma genuine seo, like that romhainn on Clártha agus PC a dhéanú an seo, then definitely like féin na hónaíonn seo agus a bhaint an seo. Let the new better, who knows? Cé lara. Ach then the worma, I don't know, the worma an shout and sin le agad mór a heilú don BBC. Sláin the sin.
Sílim gur fear na cara cú gur, big city lights. A maithas an tuirgain gur tusa cé gur rugú muid a lig fin tú a tusan duna definitely not rathíú just dóilm.
Yeah. I mean, obviously, tá crazy around the Fáilte, gan doubt be. But just nurse smuiche mar. Do you know didn't the way that tá smuicher though? Agus chance go been smuicher seo fast though. Ner a May child, well, la could you be child in your fad. Ner ta that May child agus da will ro canunt an edge of woolshed inish. Like Saudi mission more air agus we D4 dollies and should go more plastic vein mirror vein scrus the way.
Well, at least they'll do canuns like the canuns doing all, cold I guess. It's like Áine freshen way like like solo like the mishe ikone London agus go just come off like Essex accent ashtoch im rasser I should mishe go hard tomorrow. Hey, we go to school today, huh?
I'm picking him up from the London Underground.
He has to make the team for London, the county. That's what it is. No, yeah.
A go bhfadas go leorn tú Gaelic nó Sáine bé Gaelic olú acu le Hugh agus Gaelic chun America lása as an sin
Belgian really
bhaile clí acu.
Yeah, but imagine the Gaelic acu like cos Essex was like Daddy, what's going on?
Shame we're a tattoo, Daddy. Tá go go Nando's don Jinge.
Nando's? Yeah.
But for all I'm dull, in West End, lid the hole, to my Gary wicked echo.
Yeah, we might give us pelletin, because we might like, horror and tross on that. Oh, yeah, blood.
Yeah, blood. Sha blood. Shaffle. Shaffle. Oh, yeah. Like, shinna rud to go latarlu. Shinna na major to go latarlu, like. But you're really good.
Maar Neil Gaelic na moon ogamsa or Valach or B. Could be rud if we nerd the dini phone Gaelige. Sir Jenin she'd gramming she'd like glass so on shinum. Ta an urgent sample yoga in the shin, ta lad in ta go burnshin a vinishti he gone in a Gaeligan shin a Maliclia as America agus bin she Gaelic talente ni vin ka glass America na ke Jack.
My girl is like piece, yeah.
A year to make súil an seo.
Tá súil an seo. Gifút Áine actually. Would this go sucker she's chun the main is killing a girl mini Tony Kelly's in it.
That's the dream. He'll make only galú, but inis imo cheanish tá mé igarca chun in glár
just get a Tony Kelly bug got hard to give us camogi agus squail gaku.
Tony
yeah.
Bert matantalum, honestly.
Bert?
No. Oh, I mean, well, no, to Bert.
Egyptian now nadini ka lani vruma, so.
But one second, James. Is your Bert because shin Mishmer Godfather can you win? Is this my Godfather Canella? So, Shannon.
Gur session ahain knock up mission mar her Baistí mar ni quibnoi mayor Brett Larby.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Like Hugh pasa ikana bruntnish. So
yeah.
Well, hold on. That wrote Bobby on to Bobby a wadney's fossa then yeah. You know, the shit that's ass lane road.
It cannot like high tops bugabija.
Many rings like her.
Chain Molanu like
Tigim solution actually for Hugh nish meal. Le moinjacht agus nie. Cheanna me rudi op a smart lumse. So
yeah,
like they no look like the raw lower on agus count one like good dinosaurs is really it's count that gonna Avengers if you much like raw. Yeah, he's gonna be an Avenger. So cheanna me an Avenger. So my mom's dad like raw. After I obsessed with dinosaurs, you like raw. No. So that move Brunson's hole. So gonna live for Spider-Man. So got tangy ones us.
Yeah.
Why let us caha Air Forces agus an shacket a chamaho.
James is in a grooming or lanu go down when you're what you lesh.
But shin rud an yanan thing either. Like the columns never miss ni soige never miss got my head led on skal the call care ogin agus chani sha casa pin Liverpool do. Agus like Neuro ein dinne mahach or takid acu to Liverpool. Vi takid ig mahal Carolina Liverpool. Agus vi just to Gary Bay like, oh, Shah like the. So then there been this is obviously my gusta. I was like, oh yeah, like shin and thing on my club on my fan Louis whatever. But then obviously Hannick na much call Carolina Shah agus Ern Rocker is fan Chelsea manish.
But Darlene insert Irie Amashin mar Jaeger.
Like, oh yeah.
Brew gunyahanrod a brew dini earth mar fáiste.
Oh yeah.
I'm my own person. I like what I like.
Michigan Urxus wrestling onesie babies. Just like, oh hell yeah. Here we go, lads. Have it sorted.
No you.
Doghead Lanav is gonna be Kaihu New Japan Pro Wrestling baby onesie.
Jimmy's got to keep the base at you. Mas kina kunnin hisses over flash that's it.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my god!
It's cunning mouse. Sorry, Sutter Flame Edward. Ni cunning ma Martian. I'm an animation. A ma as Nimach on a rat, Nimach on ein sunny a horch or ugly go chila so make start. But it's fatal a gone out ni conima. Kaved I like Birch's jazz, you know, because like you know my because went into trail as such a cadkin and then you kind of like learn the mistakes such Darnican, you know. Yeah. So exactly they shouldn't flag will miss and plastic is farfa sa chila. You like Birch you agus you know Keg will, you know, pass really jazz agus chat into jazz agus splash into jazz ag me year for, you know, Tamisha gone past the cloud PlayStation time fod. So you know that she didn't go also in Kate like boohunch feel her. But yeah, Bert
for what? Jesus.
Yeah. Is she great? She is she class? Relevant.
Slamming her hand like
I'm literally rag. Yeah, Greg was she generally really might I guess come shit. Gan Einrod. So yeah, I'd say Birch, Badger.
Actually, to Mishkon Maragra Ahru because
we
Mochlan agus he may grow me geri Chailani smon or Vimani so if you start either moving a Chinese motion grow like chuiger as we should like Kogarda Kela more crack acu. Bhí gcóí cara hart acu le croch hart leis, ní ro sin agamsa.
Nervhí mission ní sáige ní ro me sé geirí ein thing eile bhí se like literally chuid mo bhhair agus me hair ceist and been like oh agus like ar bhhaile tear na dear for bagile agus bhéin like oh no
a bheith midteag sa bh ar chuineal mar sin.
Literally a bhí a gomóna sin ar is like má tagan thing eile is se ní bheith ein ní bheith seo ó gom ní smó so caiime I have to hold my turf we like to my year for
good thing going here.
Yeah, exactly. Be my year for whole flyhill she goes sass the must have me to wrench the brake on the timer fall. I'm telling you now there were Lanu Alice these chat I would have hated him. They're Hannick she is chat like and this time I like of Bravralum because this nive shin ogum chiche and like in mohuan shin da like this some more plastic agus tagging like land of whatever it's like go with this like Shaw like the jar and the jar from Bucane or whatever like nivation ogum hiche obviously look what you did bishan ogum la much plastic hen but yeah I think in this time like oh bitch already just our old Lanuelon but again I was like nah don't even look not even a big gurker yella mum goes down like Niamar Gary ein jar and the jar for bug led the hall.
Which my idea nish go well James Gary clan anwar.
No.
Oh yeah.
No.
tAthair James, go on.
No, just I'm just giving my girl dad. She miss my girl.
Oh.
That's it.
Urkernish.
I'm glad you're just gonna be like, oh, get out of my sight.
No, I feel like I'm really tough for Bucherbug though, but like I'd be such a softy chin my girl dad, like
you could just not be tough. Your friend like
the what I'm forcing is what I give his pell like I could see.
Oh yeah, no about this it. Yeah.
His is like a raw Kato show, but like Colin Bowden I'm like, oh didn't her bore her.
I
need permission.
Like
obviously you need permission to tell them on the deal. I just need them my Camogie deal. So I wouldn't know what the things to do would be lad like he would literally follow my footsteps for my like fucking
and Mitch and he's fairer than James Darrow lad or good a vi Castlumsa a vi like an yeah I'm much in these fossa art or would you be like no fucking get on that pitch now like come on right.
Well like I think that may like ufos strict or maybe
in some
they'll should 100
yeah
they're gonna have a lot of hobbies and they have no choice in it.
Yes.
She's got to kill, she's got to dance, she's got to regular football. She's not the Rudy Ellie in the fashion, but like
mate, that's the trophy dad.
No, just make her like go fast to the east, like
to the guy very cold gala agus is fager. Shouldn't the guy yanu.
I can actually give me like death sport as a casa chuig Irish kill different agus and now I should just be best while just the Trona.
I get two. In the shit.
James, that's cruel.
No, it get to Imro
no.
Sports.
Yeah.
We make an executive decision. It cannot sit on talent taku. And
Well should road kite up on trails that road like shouldn't you know what like never mission saw get there much one hit trailers with you whatever and then you vein my haku kajira agus then be like Nima Jenny Shawnee Smo like agus kill the Nero simogum sa kill never many saw it was only never my like the rang in the guitar agus stop my dashin the rang in the piano stop my dashin ring my like Ruddy Bugger like Sascal was the machine whatever it was like just near my like immediately Doc Ratchet so like from like okay no Nima Gary Shaw and then also obviously sports yeah Vima like but for my chest infection like sport you shouldn't find that near the map ring to Jarvadar may focus us Ian shocked if you really flaw because then what am I getting in the hospital la chest infection so that was kind of the straw that broke the camel's back la shin but like I put them
brooding I can ship
Brehensha
I think me and Michelle like I want one. I didn't touch the queen as being like, fuck no.
It's my Bavradam Shulamadla dingy of a inta broody whatever. Agus virtual like oh bitch and jazz whatever, but it's like not la hummel really fadda. Whereas like Carvey thingy like oh like Bavradam like like shouldn't exist the country like in the near future. I'm like no.
But the thing, Neil would luas na fliadí smó agus tá sé níos ure ná a ghlachan muid leis sílam. Níl me sé inta brúdí a churbe, like ghlacham leis go mé ma hisismór láháin is smáin an páistí a ní arcam mar páiste as go déim ó bhráil an páiste dúrchanis. Níl sé ní a mothú an gá sin gá leis go fáil, but tá mé fi seacht a g an seachtainna.
Yeah.
It's not that crazy. It's not...
Bei geriatric pregnancy fwy na with the Genoa.
Huh?
Bei geriatric pregnancy fwy na with the Genoa. Shin though, it's like tra quick, not bei shin geriatric pregnancy.
Shin and Caim ra, like, and the sé ufasa an brúseo, but Caim ra smeeter like corpsacu agus ceirta si dábalta. Céin or si dábalta seo yenu. Ní bhín an amacu, but of course fair. God, hig libh sé yenu sus go dígol sib seachtó, octó. Nach go
non-stop. Non-stop.
Like rock stars, huh?
Like cunning, you mean?
Or on bottom.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, yeah, my hell.
What he loved doing best.
His wife. Stad an Margushin. And so hold on though. Áine, Sean Cast, right? Darrow, Sálaithe, Táid Sean ar fadanis, tagan an Lanaver and Seal, little Áine Jr. or Killian Jr., right? And Cad Lanav. K as Michigas James, old to chun Ranu, libh, leis an Cad, Godfather than Paiste. It's not even a Sheelanwood Tassogging Gurmaging it.
Usually, on Head Gosser, Fuck Áine on Godmother. Wouldn't it be? Would draw her a kidding?
They grab Piokin to Dinawan or Haywan and Chila as Dinawan and Tails and Chila. So need all go shift if you go of it. I mean,
no. I did 1 second.
Tá drathair agamsa as a drathair Killian, so what Jerhin Gamay Birch at her Baistí and Cade Lanu. Here's a Birch Maher Baistí agamsa, ní lahar Baistí be agam. As a
really?
My Quivning Mra or 170 Brunson Shinta.
As opposed to Misha.
Yeah.
She goes simple because Tamo Aherg is Maher Baistí, it's like Mo. But uncle's manty, like as in like like Tiva Wang the Mailach, whatever. So the Mayarfer, it's like uncle's auntie or Mo like Jarfer Mo Weher agus Farkela Seki, and then Mo could God Tushmori whatever is Mo Hodge Jarher Mo Eher agus Bankela Segison. So
Sheila was sort obligation a buntash Kamai is needing to Gary Dini Wasloon or Gertu agus Beaner just sort of a tactfulish Nadini Filkantu, you know, like ni hokalumsa gan moya her Filku. K knock Mac Shashan Rogerta ak. She no Grishin doi Gajansha Beaner din if we let him Filku leve.
Well, I tell you one thing, it's mission to you Gossers Glon. Dennis Ogia. The more wings are cholash you like a filtration because I'm more wings are Baistí fucking useless.
So now we should get the show.
I wouldn't care. I'd tell them to their face. Useless. Me anger doesn't mean anything Hobson.
I mean James tattoo it the going to fastenish and he got the brunsonish all that go.
Oh sorry. The whole point is this is a contract for life.
I know. Find my water Baistí folks what they do.
Thomas So
just ice cold in my veins though.
Edward right here.
Such Gene.
Sheesh. But mention we should follow line sports edits or much TikTok and what is the fashion faster James?
Oh, like Nitada mo TikTok sports.
No, but like as in like testing their anything like fan cams like.
Oh yeah.
But it's just random pelladary like the hudgies the 2000s.
Just random they need cons for like sports random person like just that's all I get.
I went this a fan cams Áine or the TikTok. This guy will also get.
No.
Oh my god, that's we'll also get the country.
No, Tá mo churneil the TikTok on different lo churneil so go the TikTok.
So like say mar hampla like I know like ceoltóir cailú or whatever, like say like mar hampla, I don't know. What do you call it, Spring Carpenter or whatever, as they're glocking the like clips area asti or like aglav or whatever, and it's like the highlights of Kabira to Shijanta or Kabira the Dirty or whatever, or like even like I don't know, they're fuck thinking like I don't know Zinedine Zidane or whatever, and it was like his like highlights whatever, that clicky and shocked whatever, and it was set to like I don't know Kendrick Lamar and the Drake, no immersion. He went to no immersion, no. The confusion or ace.
Pitch mishish da gurnal the TikToker margin in a ngujin course in e quit. Oh, then own course in builder suku. Agus it Rashid. I'll be banwan agus be few cat literary tewishti. As ni aki lad katsgef when you need law. Agus vi in course in Hugh, so he tried calling catcher roach she a jahan course and hug she heg cattery and cat. Like kennels but the quit. The knee law. As ní leihí an catú, so sin the TikTok go meme share. Just cuairtí neighbors stealing cats agus tití tú sta in knowing the just daoine craic a sé ionta.
No, I'd say definitely ní sé sin go teach so humsa, but an ceann is má lumsa tá really satisfying. Right. Is beidir níos go bod tá má bhread lá hééis bháin gur an íse teach orm ach on bloody garraíodóireacht.
Garraíodóireacht?
Fucking amazing.
And what also go Guardian Hosu?
Oh, I know Peter O'Mahony is sponsored by Woody's already, but like his TikTok is not to my garraíodóireacht na my foster, you know?
It's not wholesome.
Garraíodóireacht.
Got hard to just at a lawnmower agus
no.
No. Well, I fast glassry agus blahani agus Yeah, so doesn't eat talu vegan. Eat couple of acre then.
Avocados Connemara.
Neil Michigan or Harvey.
Really? Oh no, Tamisha. During the nana killing could you smell the number?
Bralam
the yenu lesh stuff awesome which.
Bralam Guardian Jazz agus gan of Agarker. Like eking dinne le a garu agus eking like dinne le lurk in the a. I is fool. No, genuinely it's fool. No. Gone out is fool shit. It's
you're really not a country boy, are you?
This is 7 man, Matt. This got a Guardian van the Kong the high rises in London. I tell you that.
I'm telling you, but my genuine really my not me. My patch booger and Jean. But no, it's yeah, because Brevano of him we Garen Fair and Tamer Father is like on the sit on Kabir Road or whatever.
But like creamer and the aromas like on petrol agus on fair agus na blachana
As a Guardian yeah so good swallow James or Ross jeez so that inarm go and sim show good or das mission níos you know polyton and we here cool like dad gaffalish and garraíodóireacht fast and jahan or dihin would swallow like really into it so sin road go wild umson on a term lesh come on but Even cooler got less just passion.
No. Future aspirations freshen na gon yef my count on the kitchen Ethan's coffee beans and they shit them out at East. Or is it a monkey? So they count on the coffee.
You're a rua. Shouldn't call it like Vietnam or Thailand, no one?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, need cottage.
A monkey's not. Is a monkey?
No, squirrels, you're a ruaton.
The yeah, the black squirrels come out though. Just need a bit of coffee.
Oh, better go with me, care. Better knock.
No, I think a cut done or a monkey. You make it. I know that's very too opposite.
Sure, go and first go and make care tonight.
Hey, forget.
What's that?
I'm gonna Google.
Google.
What animal shits coffee?
Kopi Luwak.
Yeah, Kopi Luwak.
Shin coffee.
Oh.
Eaten by the Asian palm civet. What's that now? Oh, cert cat in cart good. Well, toddy cat. Ní arcan she'd cos liquid. Simul. Right, so.
So be ceanna go chinnamas be my friggin' there's brash milk magnesia hole commission fucking constantly fucking shitting out the coffee. Is go my van bug coffee, it's just cut of his on explain Hugh.
Oh my god. Sinead, yeah, I took kind of a Gerald shot before it becomes two. Before we go too off the rails. Sinead and Eagrán shot in the Seansalaithe. If you shot really like a really family centric one that road, you should really like what you like them. No, could you stop there now? Too much ho deep. Ma smaile much lance in the mind. Hosted too much in the sorry, my heart will costume. Seansálaithe Instagram, Seansálaithe Twitter, agus Seansálaithe YouTube, is good feckle and fish and shin, not Spotify. Agus Higling link be at your way into we're good phodchraoladh. But the guy Áine Amsterdam host to touch more anywhere Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. But the guy James Amsterdam host to touch more flyer tach or Instagram, flyer tach or Twitter, agus flyer tach or TikTok. Agus my the guy Mahena Amsterdam host to more Hugh Car here or Instagram, Hugh Car here or Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Car or TikTok. Well, I know that like a guy with a fluggal, solar chin with Lynn, solar bunny with salt, as an Amshire. Inta faoi here. Blaine Rodella, solar chimj moss seachtainí or lack of seachtainí. I'm already Gary seachtainí.
Change in the shorts.
Ní hit you what? No, come on, Jerry. The Jerry shop. Never Jerry. Sean Eagrán Jerry. Sean, it's too much. The mamagi. The majority reach and chatting to Eagrán the Seansalaithe acquisition, putting salt as Jerry seachtainí. Slan.